and
So,
you're just
now
about
you are
ready to
done.
jump off a cliff. And then you almost discover Go Animate.
Wait, what do you mean almost?
Go Animate is claimed to be a site where you can make quote-unquote professional animated videos quickly and easily, but it has been invaded by grounded videos, Barney errors, and other stuff, and it gets boring and annoying so quickly for business people that they sleep on the desk, trying to avoid those types of videos. So, without any choice, you decide to jump off the cliff you were ready to jump off of, with no good, quick, and easy animating tools in sight.
We stop your Windows Advanced Server session for a Barney error. Because of that, you killed Barney. If people see you, you're going to jail. But you're just inside your house. But don't turn off your Windows Advanced Server. But if you do, I'll ground you for a long time. Wait a second. Did you kill lots of people?
I knew it. You killed lots of people to lower your chances of going to jail. Okay then, you asked for it.
You fool!
I scared you super hard. That is so it. You are. Stop turning off my punishments. Anyways, my punishment is scary. Because... Okay, you need to stop. Actually, there's no way you can stop. Because you are. So... Turn off my punishments. The creepypasta punishment is way too impossible to turn off. That's it. You are. What you've done. You did impossible. I'll give you that, but...
You fool! That's it! I will get 666 punishment to scary hardcore.
Your heartbeat is now 199 BPM, which means it's 666 punishment. So this means you are. So, looks like you want to play a game. Good. I want to play a game as well. Let's play. Punishment. You must go through the entire maze once. The progress will be at the bottom right of the screen. Good luck.
I can't take it anymore.
You turned off my game. You were supposed to play the game. I wanted to do something fun for once. Now you are. If you don't want to listen to me, then guess what's gonna happen? This punishment off is not an option. Now you are free.
Okay. I calm down. I'll give you 20 seconds. If you don't turn your Windows Advanced server off, I'll give you $125,000.
You fool. That's IT. I will remove the power button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.